Welcome to Lecture 12, where we talk about the role of computer simulation in Industry 4.0. Well, computer simulations will play a vital role in Industry 4.0 in terms of increasing efficiency, productivity, and reducing costs. Furthermore, the lead times in factories will exponentially reduce as the technology will completely replace physical prototyping. So what is lead time? Lead time is basically the time taken when raw materials come into the factory and the finished good leaves the factory. Manufacturing industries like apparel, automobile, and engineering will be more agile, meaning more responsive, as computer simulation enables mass customization at an affordable price. This is all done with the use of a digital twin. In our next lecture, we'll be talking about digital twins in Industry 4.0 and the role they play.